or welcome back to Journey with Joy, where we help each other on our journeys to our best selves. And today we're going to be making a rosemary tea for hair growth. I know a lot of you may only know rosemary as a herb or seasoning for your chicken, but it's amazing for scalp health and hair growth because it helps to relieve irritated, dry, and flaky scalp while stimulating and improving circulation to encourage hair growth. To make the rosemary tea, we'll be adding 2 cups of distilled water to our kettle to boil. While the water is heating up, go ahead and add 3 teaspoons of dried or fresh rosemary to a heat-safe container. Once the water has come to a boil, pour it onto your rosemary and allow it to steep. Is optional, but I'll be adding 4 teaspoons of MSM powder to the rosemary tea to supercharge its benefits. And if you don't know, MSM is a great additive to this hair tea because it aids in the absorption of the tea into the scalp and hair. MSM is also known to strengthen hair and influence hair growth. However, please note that MSM can cause headaches and nausea. Once the tea has cooled down, you can strain it and pour it into an applicator bottle. The remaining tea can be poured into an ice tray to keep it fresh for future use. I'll be using this rosemary tea as a leave-in spray. I'm going to mainly focus it on my thinner areas, my temples, and just massage it in. You can use it this way if you choose and as often as you choose. You can also use the rosemary tea as a hair rinse after washing. If you finish the rosemary tea that's in your applicator bottle, you can just go ahead and pop out one of the ice cubes of rosemary tea, heat it up, and continue to use it once it cools down. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please let me know down below in the comment section if you'll be trying this or if you have tried this hair tea. See you guys in the next video, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye guys!